not a how-to, me having fun and helping me grow on my woodworking journey. Come along. I saw these cutest gnomes from Miriam's crafting cottage. She did such a great job. Now I wanted to try and do it all from the dollar store, and I've seen so many amazing crafts on YouTube. Lovely Moments Creating, Glue Guns and Roses, Discovering the Art of Living. I'll include all of these links down below. Typically, I stick with wood. I'm a scroll saw artist and dabble on the lathe a little bit. Now, Miriam's Crafting Cottage used fake fur. I found this Swifter at the dollar store that I thought I could use for the beard of the gnome. And then instead of batting, I'm going to try cotton balls. I'm not sure how that'll work because I was trying to cut down on the cost. The fake fur is like $15. So overall, my supplies, the socks, ribbon. I'm cheating with the bells. I found this necklace. So I'm going to cut the bells off of that to put on the hat. Twine. I already had rubber bands and the twine. So we'll see how this goes. Typically, I'm not the greatest with a glue gun. I always burn myself. So let's proceed with caution.